Greetings everybody, I am Shujat Ali from Medicos Lectures by Shujat, and today we are going to talk about how to get medical license in Ireland. In particular, we are going to talk about how to apply, eligibility criteria, total cost and documents required. If you have license, what's your pathway? If you don't have license, what's your pathway? So I will try to make this video coherent and synchronized so that you can all will get my points and understand it. So it's a very useful video, so stay tuned with me guys. Guys, our first requirement is basically a 12 months house job according to the Irish Medical Council website. In that 12-month house job, we have 3 months of surgery, general surgery, 3 months of general medicine, and 2 months in allied, 2 months of each course, ENT, anesthesia and emergency medicines, and we have to spend not more than 2 months on them. Second requirement is basically English proficiency, include IELTS and OET. In OET we require B grade and in IELTS we require 7 bands. Third requirement is basically an EPIC account. I will go in detail. EPIC account is basically an electronic portfolio of international accreditations. Here you will apply your documents like your degree and your experience certificate, and your documents are being verified internationally, and their EPIC account that you apply, they will send your verified documents to the Irish Medical Council site. Note, legal documents should be coherent, means if you have your name a bit different on degree as compared to experience certificate, so you should rectify it and then apply, not apply with different names. Graduate that you are from university should be in World Directory of Medical Schools list. House job and experience certificate you should get from PMC site. It's basically you can apply online now, and 3,000 is the fee, and you will get your house job experience certificate from PMC website. After getting these, you are going to apply online on Irish Medical Council website. Now talking about how to apply for EPIC account. So there are some pre-requirements for electronic portfolio of international credentials account, which are scanned ID page of passport, scanned photograph, scanned copy of degree, and credit card with active international transactions and address home which you have to receive your verified degrees and cards. So in start you have to pay $130 for registration of EPIC account and $100 per verification for this EPIC account, and $30 are approximately delivery surcharges. We're not talking about after getting these requirements, you will go to Irish Medical Council site, click on the step registration, and you will start registered and then apply. And for applying, £460 is the fee. In that applying, you will fill the personal details, and after that you will receive email with cover letter. So what you have to do with that cover letter is just print it out, attach your attested documents with that, and then post it on Irish Medical Council address. After Irish Medical Council receive your documents, an automated email you will receive, and they will let you know that your documents are received. After that, you will have to download an indemnity form from Irish Medical Council site, and then click on 5 and then resend the email to the Irish Medical Council site. After that, you have to download GF1 form and attach passport and good standing certificate which you will get from PMC with that, and then send it to the Irish Medical Council site address by DHL. After that, they will let you know your induction in Irish Medical Council site, and you will get your specific induction number, registration number, and you are eligible to apply in all around Ireland internationally. Now £560 is the fee for this step. If you don't have any license, either you don't have even a house job license, so what's your criteria? You will have to appear in Press 1 exam of Ireland, which is theoretical exam. Press 2 is basically all, if you have passed PLAB, USMLE or Australian Medical Council exam or Canadian Medical Council exam. So you didn't have to give PLAB to press 2. You just have to give press 1 and 3. In press 3 we have clinical disciplines in which obstetric, gynecology, pediatrics and other disciplines of this sort is included, and they will check your clinical skills. In step 1 they will check your theory. So guys, in whole total cost we have £560 for induction, we have £460 almost for registration, and almost $230 for the Epic account, and then we have our IELTS and OET fee as well DHL fee and PMC fee. So in whole it will about 3 lakh approximately, which you will have to pay for these steps, and after that you will get your license. And it's my prayer that you all will get license and you will have a bright future. So don't forget subscribe Medico's lectures by Shujat. Thank you so much.